Do you know that you can save money growing succulents? Yes, succulents are living plants. They grow and multiply. Over time, you don't need to buy more, but rather, you can share more. Hello everyone, my name is Teresa of Chapsican Succulents, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created a special succulent arrangement and give it as a birthday present using the plants that I have been growing in our garden. I used this wooden planter with a drainage hole for this project, and my soil mixture is a combination of 2 parts spotting soil, 1 part perlite, and 1 part coarse sand. Now that the planter and soil are ready, let's harvest some plants. I want to use a lot of colorful succulents for this arrangement, so I harvested my favorite Cryptosedum California Sunset. Another colorful succulent I want to use is the Sedum Adolphii Golden Glow. I was debating if I would harvest more succulents from this area. Instead, I opted to add this variegated Portulacaria afra. This plant is amazing. If you water this well, it will give you a lot of healthy sprouts. And what's even better is that it cleanses the air from harmful toxins. There is more I want to add from here. This Senecio Blue Chalk Sticks and this Crassula Perforata Variegata. I have more succulents growing on our ledges, but I try to avoid harvesting them. So I will show you where I get the succulents that I often give away. I have a lot of succulent cuttings planted on square plastic pots, and when they're colorful and ready, I harvest them. So let's get a few. These are what we got for now. Let's find out if these are enough, otherwise we can get more later. To loosen the soil, I press on the sides. I'm going to start with the Sedum Adolphii Firestorm. This is not very colorful right now because it did not get the full sun exposure needed to achieve its vibrant color. When this is really stressed, this will turn orange with red margins. I always try to be really gentle when working with succulents because some of them have delicate leaves that can drop off easily. Then I have the Crassula Springtime here that are already blooming. These can grow big like the one I planted on the cart. The ones I have here are small and they were planted from cuttings, but they are already blooming. And now the pink peach color of this California Sunset will go well with the pink flowers of the Crassula Springtime. You might be thinking, Teresa, you are mixing rooted plants with cuttings. Yes, you can, as long as you do not water this for 2 weeks. All of them will be fine. I have a combination of different colorful succulents here, and I'm just gonna get the orange colored Sedum Adolphii. If I see dried or damaged leaves, I take time to remove them as well. Guys, if you are new to succulents, check out my free online course, Growing Succulents with Clarity and Confidence. It will transform you from a confused beginner to a confident succulent gardener. Enroll now while it is still free. It's a 45 minutes total video tutorials like this. I will leave the link in the description below. If you've noticed, I often use these long tweezers when I create arrangements. The pointed and curved tip of this tweezer is very useful, especially when creating compact arrangements like this. Well, looks like we need more plants. I'm not gonna be tempted to get from my ledges, so we will still get from here. So far, this is already looking good. A few more on the side and we'll be finished. Okay, I give up. I'm going to get one from here. Just one. We are almost done. So we need one here and another one there. Maybe a small one here and there. What a beautiful mess we have here. I don't mind having this kind of mess every day. So this is how I create arrangements for gifts. I put in a lot of different species and I make it more compact so that the soil below is no longer visible. It looks neater that way. But it's up to you if you want to add more pebbles on top, but on this one, I didn't. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you next time. Bye!